Now, when it comes to using technology in the classroom, we should not be just looking at ways to substitute what we can always do on paper. Yes, the technology might allow us to do things slightly quicker, but our focus should be always on what can the technology add to a task that can't be done on paper? How can it sort of redefine and transform what we could do before? And so I just want to share a task that I did in class yesterday that not only saved me time, but gave children the opportunity, no matter what their ability with writing, to share and demonstrate their knowledge and understanding about our science topic. And when you work in an education system that's obsessed with essential and sticky knowledge, what I found is when children do get the opportunity to create content, to demonstrate their learning creatively through technology, when they have a spare minute, they love nothing more than watching back what they made last week, last term, last year, reinforcing all of that learning, which I don't always see them do with worksheets. So here's the lesson we did yesterday. We're starting our topic on digestive system. The children took a selfie of themselves, then put this little PNG file over the top to show all the different elements. They could then label it, which is something they can do on paper, but what they can't do on paper is with each label, they can go and add a voice recording. So what we were challenging the children to do is then explain what happens at each stage of the digestive system. So I'll play a little example of what they created.
The digestive system starts in your mouth, where you use your teeth to chew your food into small pieces. Your mouth also makes saliva, which is special liquid that helps to break down your food and makes it easier to swallow.
Now, not only did it take a fraction of the time to create that the children created it. I didn't have to do any sort of photocopying or printing. It's the fact that the children are able to demonstrate what they know in a more accessible way, and we'll have access to that all the way through the rest of this topic, next term, next year, and constantly reinforce that learning. And I will argue to the death that technology, when it's used creatively and purposefully, can transform learning in lots of different ways, make learning more empowering and accessible for our pupils. And that's something that I'm constantly trying to share on all of the training that I do and through my website. So if you are after more creative ways in which you can use technology to really transform teaching and learning across the curriculum, do head over to my website, mrpict.com, where you'll see endless step-by-step tutorial videos just like that you can use right across the curriculum to make your life easier and support our children with their learning.